My favorite thing about STEAM night is because like there's everything that's like new and like you can experiment with different things. Like you can do different things each time you come.
They just have like a lot of activities, like you could never get bored at STEAM night.
I think it's so cool that there are so many different ways to create things. Physics, they're cool and they're interesting to learn about. I really like the station about the insects. I got to learn about new and different kinds of insects, how insects change into different insects, and how cool they are.
So these are animals that live wild in a pond. It's really important to keep the water clean because they need to have healthy water to live, just like you need healthy air to live, right?
My favorite thing about STEAM night is personally the pins. I like seeing like teachers like Miss Awada. The first step was I draw on a circled piece of paper. Then I gave it to a teacher. Then Miss Awada actually put it in a machine and pressed on it, and it made the pin.
My favorite thing is probably like the social, talking to people.
I like learning about activities and doing stuff that is like science, learning about space and stuff.
What's your favorite thing about STEAM night?
Mystery boxes,
Why?
because they're fun. Inside them, you can feel what is inside them, and they're mystery. I like about how everything is so different and you can always explore more. People who didn't come, I think they're missing out on all the fun.